Now question number 2. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350. Now we have to find sum of numbers 1 to 350. First write down given the even natural numbers, the even natural numbers from 1 to 350 are 1 to 350 are 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now what is the last even natural numbers? Up to 350 means take 348. If we have given includes 350, then take 350, otherwise take 348. Now these are the numbers. Now here first term, that is first term T1 is equal to 2. First term T1 is equal to 2. Common difference D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and this is the nth term, that is Tn is equal to 348. We have given value of Tn, therefore in this equation first we have to find value of n. Now we have to find value of sum of n terms, that is that we have to find first value of n. Now write down formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put values. Tn is 348 is equal to A is 2 plus n minus 1 into value of D is 2. Now 348 plus becomes minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 348 minus 2, that is 346. 346 divided by this 2 is equal to n minus 1. Now dividing by 2, 173. Therefore 173 is equal to n minus 1. Now we have to find value of n. Therefore n is equal to 173 minus becomes plus 1. n is equal to 174. This is the first step. Now here we have first term T1 is equal to, first term is given, last term is given, that is nth term. Then use formula. We can also use formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. Now write down formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. Now here value of n is 174. Therefore S 174 is equal to 174 upon 2 into bracket. Now T1 is first term, that is 2, plus nth term Tn is 348. Take addition 174 upon 2 into 350. Dividing by 2, 175. Therefore is equal to 174 into 175. Now take its multiplication. 174 into 175. 20, 0, 2, 7, 8. 8, 51, 1, 12. 4, 7, 1, 0, 5, 4, 30,450. This is the answer. This is yes 174. Therefore, we have to write answer. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350 is 30,450. This is the answer. Write down question number 3. Question number 3. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find sum of first 56 terms. Here in an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. We have to find sum of first 56 terms. For this, first we consider let first term of for an AP, let A is the first term and D is the common difference of given AP. Let A is the first term and D is the common difference for given AP. Therefore, we have given 19th term, that is T19 is equal to 52, and 38th term, that is T38 is equal to 128. These are, we have given two terms. Find the sum of 56 terms. 56 terms, that is, we have given here n is equal to 56. Now write down formula for nth term. What is the formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put value of n is 19. T19 is equal to a plus n minus 1. N is 19 minus 1. Now take this 56. First we have to find here T19 is equal to a plus n minus 1. N is 19 minus 1 into value of d, that is d. T19 is 52 is equal to T19 is 52 a plus 18d. Therefore write down this as, or that is a plus 18d is equal to 52. This is number 1. And take T38 is equal to a plus n is 38 minus 1 into D. Put value of T38, 128 is equal to A plus 37D. That is A plus 37D is equal to 128. This is number 2. Now by using this, take equation 1 and 2. Now write down equation 1 is A plus 18D is equal to 52, equation 1, and second A plus 37D is equal to 128. This is number 2. Now here we have to find 56th term. Therefore here take addition of these two is 55. Therefore take addition. That is, take addition by adding this. A plus 8, 2A plus 55D is equal to 0, 80, 180. 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. That is, 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. This is number 3. We have to find sum of 56 terms. That is, now write down formula for Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now take value of n is here 56. Therefore S56. What is the meaning of S56? That is sum of 56 terms. Therefore S56 is equal to n upon 2, 56 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n is 56 minus 1 into D. That is 56 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus 56 minus 1 is 55D. Now here dividing by 2, 28. Therefore 28 into, now using 3, value of 2A plus 55D is 180. 180 using 3. Now take multiplication. Take multiplication. 180, 28 into 180. 0, 4, 14, 50. That is, S56 is equal to 5040. Therefore, what is the answer? The sum of first 56 terms. Therefore, the sum of first 56 terms is 5040. आपण काय केलं? A फर्स्ट टर्म D कॉमन डिफरन्स कन्सिडर केला. त्यावरून दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू लिहिल्या T19 52, T38 128. आपल्याला n ची व्हॅल्यू अगोदर काढायची. फॉर्म्युला लिहिला Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T19 यावरून T19 n ची किंमत 19 ठेवली. एक इक्वेशन मिळालं. n ची किंमत 38 ठेवली. त्यावरून इक्वेशन दुसरं मिळालं. मग हे दोन इक्वेशन टेक ऍडिशन, त्यांची ऍडिशन घेतली. त्यावरून आपल्याला इक्वेशन मिळालं 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. नंतर फॉर्म्युला लिहिला सम ऑफ n टर्म्स Sn is equal to n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. n ची व्हॅल्यू किती? 56 घेतली. त्यावरून आपल्याला इक्वेशन मिळालं 2A plus 55D ची व्हॅल्यू आपण इथं ठेवली आणि त्याला सॉल्व करून आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळाली सम ऑफ 56 टर्म इज 5040. राईट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Sum of first 55 terms. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP. We have given sum of 55 terms. Here, sum of 55 terms, we have given value of T55 is this. We have to find 28th term. First write down let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP, of given AP. Therefore, sum of first 55 terms, that is S55 is equal to 3300. We have to find its 28th term, that is we have to find S28. S28th term, we have to find value of T28. Now, first write down formula for Sn is equal to Sn is n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S55, here value of n is 55. S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. We have given S55 is 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 54d. Now here taking 2 common is equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket a plus 27d. A plus 27d. 2 get cancelled. Now dividing by 55, 3300 divided by 55 is equal to a plus 27d. Now dividing by 11, 5, 300. Dividing by 5, 60. Therefore, a plus 27t is equal to 16. This is number 1. Now here we have to find its 28th term, that is we have to find value of T28. Now write down formula for nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find T28. is equal to a plus n is 28 minus 1 into d. Therefore is equal to 28 minus 1 into d. T28 is equal to a plus 27d, and using one value of a plus 27d, value of a plus 27d is equal to 60. Therefore T28 is equal to 60. Therefore write down answer. Therefore its 28th term is 60. Therefore its 28th term is 60. Thank you.